Hello dear students. In today's class I teach you very important program, that is C program to concatenate two strings as a single string. What is this program? This program helps us to concatenate two strings as a single one. First of all, we need to know what do you mean by concatenate. Concatenate means join. Now can you write one C program? Let us read two strings and make it as a single one. That is what the program. Most of the students, they feel it is very difficult program. It is not difficult at all. It is very easy program. This knowledge helps you for one of the experiment in computer programming labs, shortly whichever I teach you. See the output first, expected output. Whenever we run a program, that program will ask you to enter first string, that is string 1. String 1 entered by me is VTU. VTU will be stored in str1. Once it reads string 1, it reads string 2. Assume that the second string entered by us was Belgavi. Belgavi will be stored in string 2. Now take this Belgavi and join to VTU. That means B should come in the place of null, E should come in the fourth element, L should come here, then A, G, A, V, I. Take this entire string from str2 to str1, print str1. See the output, VTU Belgavi. This program you need to write now. It is very simple program. First of all, we think about the required variables. How many variables we need? We need two string variables. One is str1 of maximum size. One more is string 2 of maximum size. Choice is yours. And we need a I and j variable because we are working with two loops here. Okay, we are working with two loop statements. That's why. For one of the loop we use I, for other loop we use j. That means to solve this problem we need two string variables and two integer variables. That's all. Now I explain you the program. This program is very easy program. First of all, hash include std.h, void main, char str1 of 25, str2 of 25, int I, j. Read the string 1, enter string 1. Whatever the string 1 I enter, that will be stored in str1. Assume that I entered VTU. VTU will be stored in str1. Next, assume that I enter string 2 as Belgavi. Belgavi will be stored in str2 in this way. Now, how to move, how to copy it, how to join it? One simple logic we use, intelligence. What is that? Do you know? First I explain you the logic. First I move the pointer, means index, to the null value. If you want to take this B here, you have to move that I, no? First time I will be 0, next I will be 1, I will be 2, I will be 3. Whenever I becomes 3, stop it, because in that position only you have to take the B. Next I increment, take the E, I increment, take the L, I increment, do it till we get the null value in the second string. This is what the logic. That's why here two for has been used. This is the first for, this is the second for. For the first for loop there is no work at all. There is no body. That's why given semicolon here. For starts and for completes. There is no work for it. No work for means work is there. What is that? Just I will be incremented. First I will be 0. str1 of 0. V is not equals to null. I plus plus. T is not equals to null. I plus plus. U not equals to null. I plus plus. I has become how much now? 3. I has become 3. Now null appeared, no? Stop it. Means for completed now. After the completion of this loop, what is the I value? I value is 3. That 3 only we use here. Here I have taken j variable. Why I have taken j variable here, do you know? this j variable I use with second string. J equals to 0, j plus plus. How many times I do j plus plus? Till I get the null value in the str2. B not equals to null, yeah. E not equals to null, not equals to null, not equals to null, not equals to null, no, stop it. Like this. First time j will be 0. J will be 0. J will be 0 means str2 of 0. str2 of 0 means B. B not equals to null, yeah. Means you have to copy there, no? How shall I copy it? str1 of 3 equals to str2 of 0. Same thing I written here. str1 of I. What is I? 3. str1 of 3 equals to str2 of 0. That means B is copied here. Already I taught you, you can use this plus plus as a prefix as well as postfix. Here I am using it a postfix. Postfix means what? First I will be used, then that will be incremented. Plus plus I means what? First that will be incremented, that one we use. Here purposely we have written I plus plus. That means str1 of 3 equals to so and so, then I becomes 4. I becomes 4. Now we copied the B. I has become 4 already. Then E is not equals to null, J has become 1. E is not equals to null, yeah, we copy here. E. I plus plus. We copy L here. I plus plus. Belgavi, B, L, G, A, V, I. We copied I plus plus. What is I now? 10. But here null appeared. str2 of 8 is not equals to null? No, stop it. Now, what you have to do? You have to store the null value here by your own. In str1 of 10, you have to store null value. I is already 10. That's a str1 of 10 equals to null. That means what I did, I joined the string 2 into a string 1. Then I copied null value by my own. What happened? str1 is having now VTU Belgavi. Then print the message string 2 joined to string 1. Now what is there in string 1? String 1 is having VTU Belgavi. String 2 joined to string 1. String 1 is having VTU Belgavi. That's all. Very simple program. Most of students, they feel it is difficult. It is very easy. Just I explain you the logic once again. I have taken two string variables str1 and str2. I and j. I is for str1 to process. J helps us to process str2. I read the first string as VTU. I read the second string as Belgavi. I am moving the I value till I reach the null value 0, 1, 2, 3. When your I becomes 3, it stops. Semicolon has been used purposely here. There is no work for it, but I increments till that gets null value. Then j starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8 we get. Then str1 of 3 equals to B. Then I plus plus means first I will be used, then that increments. 3 will be used 4. 4 will be used 5. 5 will be used 6. Like this we copy character by character. Afterwards we store the null value by our own in str1. Like this I joined string 2 to string 1. That's all. I hope you understood. Have a nice day. Take care.